Hello, I am Liaquat Ali Khan. Do you also find these types of algebra questions difficult? With just two simple steps, this question will be solved in seconds. To find the answer 0.5 step by step, let's watch the screen and find out how.
Today, we solve a clever algebra puzzle. We are given a pair of numbers whose sum is 10 and whose product is 20. We want to find the number that comes from adding 1 over the first number to 1 over the second number. First, we rewrite 1 over x plus 1 over y with a shared denominator. Since the denominator of the first fraction is x and the second is y, we choose the common denominator xy. Now that both fractions share the same denominator, we add the numerators. This gives us x plus y over xy. We are lucky because we already know the values to substitute. X plus y equals 10 and xy equals 20. So we simply plug them into the fraction. Finally, we simplify the fraction 10 over 20. Dividing numerator and denominator by 10, we get 1 over 2. So the final result is 1/2. And we arrived at it by rewriting the sum of reciprocals with a shared denominator and using the given sum and product to substitute directly.